went ahead and cleared out some space for us. So the tools that we're going to need is the rubber mallet, the 13mm socket, a 4mm Allen wrench, and a 5mm Allen wrench. When you get this out of the box, you're going to realize that you have a loose cable here. Okay, this cable is going to be used for, you're going to have to insert it into the handle here. But before you insert that, you're going to need to go into the back of the bike here. And you're going to need to loosen this cable. And you do that simply by going ahead. I already actually had this one loose. You go ahead and loosen it up. So that way you can move this back and forth. All right. So let's go back to the front here and insert this cable. All right. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take the adjuster and you're going to want to screw it all the way in like so. And what you want to do is you want to back it out. All right. Until you can get these slots lined up all the way through. So when you have that lined up, go ahead and pull your handle back and slide the barrel end in this little metal piece like so. Then take the cable and put it through the slots and then go ahead, let go of the grip, then push your cable end in like that and then go to the back and tighten it up. And there'll be another video where I'll show you guys how to adjust the brakes. But come back here, pull on this tight, and then just go ahead and tighten it down. Oops. Just tighten it down a little bit. All right. Next, we will go ahead and we will insert the handlebars. So what you're going to notice is there's going to be this little cap here. That's just a protective cap for shipping. And when you insert your handlebars, you're going to want to make sure you pay attention to this line here, because you're going to want to make sure that you insert this far enough into the fork. Okay. So now what we're going to do is you just give it a little twist like so. Okay. And then you just push this up together like so, and you slide it down. Now I'm going to pretend like this was, a little hard to get in. Okay, this is where the rubber mallet would come in, and you would just kind of tap it down right past the line, so you can see that you can't see that line. Okay, and then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to come straddle the bike. You want to look down here, and you're going to want to make sure that you're kind of centered. Okay. Now, after we get the bike put together, you can recenter it again, and tweak it. But then you just go ahead and you tighten this down with a 13mm wrench, like so. And you can probably hand tighten it first. And then go ahead and tighten it down so you're not there all day with the socket wrench. And that is how you insert the handlebars stem into the fork. And what you want to do here to adjust these, all right, go ahead and grab the 5mm wrench and, just kind of place your hand where you want it. Go ahead and tighten it down. Like I said, yours will probably already come tight, but if you do have to loosen it, that's how you go ahead and you tighten it. Okay, and here you can see there's actually, like I said, this was my own personal bike, so a little rubbage there, but I actually got some tricks for that, which I'll show you in another video. So just go ahead, loosen it up here a little bit, and go ahead and adjust that cable to where it's comfortable for you. So I'm going to say mine's right about there. Let's go ahead and tighten it down like so. All right. To adjust the handlebars, we're going to need a 6mm Allen wrench. All you're going to need to do is you just loosen these Allen bolts up, okay? And what you're going to want to do is you're going to look at the spacing in between here. Make sure you got the spacing so you're not, all the way tight, down there at the bottom. So, oh, sorry. Yeah, make sure you hold your handlebars when you're loosening these. So here you go. You can see there's a little grip there, you know, on both sides. Just go ahead, center it up, and put the handlebars, you know, to where you want to be aped out at. And then just go ahead and tighten these down like so. Not really hard, but I thought I would just show you guys so that way you guys don't have any questions. So go ahead and just tighten them down nice and tight. Like so. All right, so that's it for this video. The next video, I'm going to go ahead and insert the seat here, so then that way we can go ahead, flip the bike upside down, and we can install the front rim.